Aloha! Welcome back to my channel, Homeschool in Paradise. So this is Maggie, and then we have Elijah, my little helper. Today it's a special video for Thanksgiving dinner ideas. This is part of a collaboration hosted by Valerie Hargett. So I'm gonna put her YouTube link below, and then also make sure to check out the playlist. The link is gonna be below in the description box. There's so many other YouTubers that are all doing Thanksgiving dinner. So we're gonna be doing three side dish. So this is a special video because we don't really do that often, but I love to cook with the kids if they want to cook with me, and if not, there's no problem. So the side dish that I'm gonna be showing you, there's three. So the first one is gonna be the homemade mac and cheese, and then second one, it will be mashed potatoes with the special ingredients. And then number three is gonna be asparagus in the air fryer. So if it's the first time on my channel, welcome. So I'm gonna be doing all the meals pretty much in the same time, and I'm gonna calculate how long it takes me so I can tell you the time that it took me, but I'm gonna fast forward the video so it's faster for you, and then I'll talk over to show you exactly the step-by-steps what I'm doing, and then you'll be able to find in the description box all the ingredients that you need for each recipe, and then how I make it. So let's dive right in, and then before that, make sure to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So let's start with the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, quick overview. So I have all my ingredients for the mac and cheese, and then for the mashed potato, and then the asparagus. First thing is to cook the pasta, 250 grams, and then I grated about half a cup of cheddar cheese. Then I'm heating up 2 cups of milk. Then I'm peeling my potatoes, washing and cutting them, and then it's time to boil them. So I'm gonna show you quickly the ingredients for the mac and cheese. So I have my noodle, the bag open because the kids opened it. The onion, I have some flour, and then I have some different cheese. So I have the mozzarella cheese. I grated some cheddar as well. They say also to have some like melted cheese, like cheese whiz. I didn't buy any. I don't think it's really good for you, and I couldn't find any. So anyway, and then the spices, I have the chili powder, which is actually says the cayenne pepper, but I don't have it. And then I have some sea salt. I'm gonna put some butter. I'm gonna put some milk, and then some paprika. And then that's pretty much it for the mac and cheese. Okay, so the ingredients for the potato, I have the 3 potatoes that I already peeled, and then I'm putting in the water. I'm gonna boil them, and then I'm gonna put some garlic, some milk. The spices, I'll put some basil, I'll put some salt, and then I'll put some pepper. And then my special ingredient is that I'm gonna put a raw egg. So I know some people are like, it's a little bit weird, but it tastes so good when you put that. And I'm also gonna put a butter in my mashed potato. And then for the asparagus, I have half of the bag of the asparagus here. I'm gonna clean it, and then I put it with the avocado oil that I spray on it, and then the spices, any spices that you like. So I like the garlic, I like thyme, and then oregano. I'll put some parsley, and then I'll put some basil, and then salt and pepper. So all that, and then I put it in the air fryer. And now it's time to cut onions really small, about half an onion. Then in a pan, heat up about 2 tablespoons of butter, add the onions, and then cook for a few minutes. Now let's cut the asparagus and wash them. Then I add avocado oil and spices, the salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, oregano, basil, parsley, and then I shake. Next is going to be to mix the onion and butter, and then I add 2 tablespoons of flour. I cook it for 1 minute, then I add the warm milk. Now I add the asparagus in the air fryer for about 6 to 9 minutes. I mix the sauce until it thickens. Then then we mash the potatoes. We add 2-3 tablespoons of butter, then the spices that are salt, pepper, basil, and raw garlic, then 1 raw egg and milk. For the mac and cheese, add noodles in the pan, then all the cheese and spices, paprika, salt, and pepper, and then mix well. And then all this is for a total of 45 minutes of cooking. Okay, so I did it, I finished. So I have my mac and cheese. Elijah really loved it, and the kids helped me a little bit. I realized it was too many pasta. That's what I thought. I forgot to put a note in my recipe from last time, but it's really good, and I'm so happy about it. So half less pasta, noodles. And then I did my mashed potatoes, so the mashed potato is really good. I think that putting the egg in it makes it so yummy, so I love the mashed potato. And then the roasted asparagus in the air fryer. This is really an easy vegetable to cook. It's so fast, and yeah, so these are my 3 side dish for the Thanksgiving dinner. I didn't cook any dessert because we don't do a lot of dessert, and I'm just gonna buy it for Thanksgiving. And then the turkey, then it's just big, and then I prefer to like turkey, everyone does a turkey, but like side dish, it can be so many different recipes. So I wanted to show you this. So just make sure to check out below in the description box. I'm gonna put the link of Valerie Hargett for this collaboration video hosted by her. And then make sure to check out the playlist of so many other YouTube creators that are doing Thanksgiving dinner video in this collaboration. So also, I would love to hear from you. What is your favorite dish for Thanksgiving? I am Canadian, and then I live in Hawaii. So Thanksgiving dinner, as American do, it's not really a tradition from before, but with the kids nowadays, we do it with my mother-in-law. So I would love to hear what is your favorite dish, and then make sure to subscribe to my video if you're not already subscribed. And then I'll see you next time. Mahalo for watching. Bye.